PlayStation is locking one of its most requested features behind PS Plus subscription. People typically don't do well with the paywall. Any type of paywall. They're like, what? Subscription for that? But gaming in general has been moving a lot more in this direction. Just yesterday, my kid is playing Overwatch. He's just like destroying he's just dominating. And he's like, I got to get this battle pass. And I'm like, for what? For what? They keep working it in, promoting it. And it's like, you feel like an outsider.
I would say for Overwatch, you can't play a certain character until you unlock the battle pass.
You're pissed.
It's like, come on now.
Yeah. Well, listen, he's pissed. You're pissed. Everybody's pissed. But this is the future of gaming, it appears. And to a lesser extent with some games, to a greater extent with others. Anyways, in this case here, it's actually going to be some titles that come with tiers and bundles, and this is speculation, but it could get complicated. Essential does everything that PlayStation Plus used to do. Extra is what gives you access to the game catalog, and then Premium will put all the perks of the previous 2 tiers, as well as exclusive goodies like game trials, cloud streaming, and classics catalog. So this is increasingly what's happening. It's not just like one service.
Yeah, it's very complicated.
It's always complicated to get you paying more. They're like, but wait, there's more. For only another $6, you'll unlock this, and then you'll unlock that.
I would imagine if it's so complicated, someone would be like, screw it. I'm just going to get the top. So I don't have to worry about anything.
A scoop from Insider Gaming suggests that one of the most anticipated features for the PS5 will only be available for those forking out for the highest PlayStation Plus tier.
Of course.
Which I believe is going to be Discord. They're adding Discord to it. Scroll down a little bit further. March's update for the PlayStation will roll out the sorely required Discord integration on the console and introduce cloud streaming of PS5 games. But however, if you don't have the premium tier of PlayStation Plus, then you might not get those functions. It could be only streaming of PS4 games instead of PS5 games. It could be an outcry. It could be an uproar and an outcry. It is getting complicated, isn't it, these days? Good Lord. And if it's a kid and the parent is looking at it and the kid's just like, give me the best one, and you're just like, all right, I don't even want to read all the specifics.
And get the Xbox one too.
I don't want to read
Steam,
all the specifics of this and which characters you can and can't play and which games you can and can't stream, and you can't use your Discord integration.
Just get the max. Just get the Ultra plan.
This is speculation at the moment, so we can't say for certain this is what they'll do, but get ready for more fragmentation of subscription styles and services.